tayo sa work. Hinapit tayo ni Dati. Hinapit tayo ni Dati Marky. Sobrang bilis ng araw, guys. Friday na. Happy Friday, everyone! Ganda ng sikat ng araw. You gave it away. Yung kanta-kanta ni Ariana. So yan, last deliver natin sa day. Tapos na tayo. Yan, may salad, may saging, may mga wraps, and cookies yung nasa baba. And tulong tayo sa breakfast after. So yan yung ginawa natin sa day. Guys, nakabihis kami ngayon ni Amanda kasi gusto niyang lumabas. Ayun sila ni Pop niya.
Of how we met and it's like have a look at it. I'm not with
Sunshine Plaza.
you gotta go and have a look.
Yeah, okay, Dad. We're gonna check the dice. So when was that, Dad? When did they open?
I'm not sure. I just happened to kind of went into Target.
Yeah.
And I shit, it's open.
Is it
and
maybe
there's quite a few
Black
in there.
Friday?
It might have opened.
So ayun. Dito lang kami ni Amanda sa Kmart nagro-roaming. Ayun siya, oh. Hindi nakita mo. Ano yan? Oh. Ayan, nandito kami sa Kmart. May nakita sa Amanda na diamond painting. Magkano yan? 7. Tapos may yan siya. Guys, nandyan yung mga gamit ko kasi after pag sundo ni Biana, DKs ako. Tapos ayan. Enjoyin lang namin window shopping. Tapos sunduin kami ni Daddy Marky ng alas 3. Tapos may pupuntahan daw kami mamaya. So, see you! Cute. Magpipaint ka by numbers.
Kumakanta ka yan. Kumakanta ka yan.
Kumakanta daw ba yan? Ano sa tingin nyo? Kumakanta daw ba yan? Ay, ay, ay. Ayan, tingin tayo ng sale na pot kung meron. Minsan kasi may mga nakasale pero kung naunahan tayo, wala na. Ang mamakalo, $10, 27. Ayan, tayo na lang yung pumila kasi haba sa kabila. Malapit sa exit. Ayan guys, daan tayo ng casing. Bilhan natin ng case yung iPod para hindi siya magasgasan. Ang tagal-tagal na nun, 1 month na. Guys, nakikita nyo ba yung nakikita ko? Matanda. Charot. 50% off. So yan, bumili na lang tayo ng headset ng iPad. Tapos, ano kasi siya Type-C? $35 guys. So yun, wala silang stock ng protector ng iPad. Ganda naman dyan, oh. Ayan, punta tayo sa Asian Grocery sa loob ng plaza. Tingin lang tayo ng fishball or squid ball, ganun. Oh, yeah?
So, it's $9.
Wow, Ziv. So expensive.
Yeah, fun.
Thank you.
The taste is really nice.
Yeah, $9 per piece, yeah?
Yeah.
May free taste.
Actually,
Yeah, our pair in the Philippines is different as well.
yeah, ganito nga.
Sarap. Sarap. So good, thank you. Try natin kumuha na isa. Naka-apat tumanon. Hello po. Dance si Balong eh. Ay, so good naman. Kumuha si Amanda ng lychee niya. Let me see. Amanda's, even Mamita, that's Mamita's favorite.
Yeah. I remember every Sunday we get one.
Magic sarap. Ayun, kita ka na. Tingin lang kami ng ng squid ball, ganun, kung meron. Scale sana, o pang banana Q or pang total $23. May nakita si Amanda na tteokbokki kasi kahapon sa Woolies naghahanap kami pero wala.
Yeah.
Ayan, punta tayo sa seafood station. Tingin tayo ng ng bangus. Nasa kabilang section pala yung mga hinahanap kong balls. Fish ball. Ayan o. Wowzers. Kuha tayo. Kuha tayo yan. Kahit mahal. Parang may gusto akong i-try. Try ko ngayon. Sinuktok yung recipe. Kano to? Fish cake. Yoshi. $6.70. Ayan, magbabayad na tayo. So, yan. Ang binili namin. 4. Tapos, $25. So, yun. After natin ng Asian shop, punta kami ng Daiso. Kasi nakabukas na yung Daiso dito sa plaza. Yun ang Daiso. Bukas na siya. Ayan na ang Daiso, guys. Tingin lang kami sa vlog. Pinag-shop ulit. Hindi na kami pupunta ng Target kasi damit lang naman ang habol dyan. Katabi lang siya ng Target. Niloko ko si Amanda, sabi ko yung tugtog Pasko na sinta ko. Guys, pumasok kami ng Target. Yan siya, $5. Pero itong mga big sizes na yan. Piliin mo lang maigi kung meron kang size. Diyan siya. Ang ganda sana nito, oh. Tignan nyo yung price. Wow, tumataginting. Sexy. Tapos, kapag nakasuot siya sa mannequin, ganyan. Ganda. Guys, pag naka-clearance dun kayo pumunta, sure na murang-mura yan. Pati na yung mga yan, oh. Si Amanda nakakuha ng cycling niya, pero tayo wala. Cute yung mga balls sa taas. Guys, Merry Christmas! Ang ganda, oh. Hi! Smile! Ayan, pwede kayong mag-picture sa loob. With pay yan, syempre. Nagpapakita sa Amanda, libre ko siya ng gusto niya.
Paano gusto ko iPhone?
Punta kami ng JB Hi-Fi. Kasi yung pinuntahan namin na isang shop, wala silang screen protector. Nandito na kami sa JB Hi-Fi. Check natin yung price ng headset kung magkano dito. So, yun yung yung price niya. Gustong i-try ni Amanda.
Alam mo, ma.
Ayan guys, nasundo na tayo ni Daddy Marky. Hi, love! Say hi to the vlog.
Magandang hapon.
Kumakain siya ng live na
Kumusta?
jellies. Can I have some?
School zone ahead.
I've got to go and pick up the charger from Ewa Vale. I can drop you off first, or did you just want to come? Absolutely
May
fine.
pa-surprise ang Daddy Mark. Hindi namin alam kung saan.
Where's the place?
I'm not telling you.
Kenilworth.
Surprise!
Surprise! Surprise! Surprise!
Surprise! Surprise! Surprise!
From Taiwan pala to.
Let's go.
Dahil pa-surprise ni Daddy Mark. Ito pag hindi boring ang asawa
It
mo.
might be a rock concert.
I know that in Calanda.
It might be, I don't know.
What can you say about the lychee jellies? Nagustuhan niya. Masyado daw matamis lang. No, full of sugar for him. Yung uban ko, magtago muna kayo. Bata pa ako eh. Big! Ganda ko na tikman.
Sana naman ako.
Ganda ng editor natin.
Okay lang.
Sana Sana hindi niya ito burahin.
There's a specific color that I want.
So ayan, dumaan lang kami dito sa bahay. Dinap yung mga gamit ko from work. Tapos nag-shower lang saglit si Daddy Marky. And then punta na tayo sa event. Hindi ko alam kung anong event yan. Ay, pagod na ako. Ang sakit ng pa ako pero go lang. So ayun guys, ang mangyayari. Balik tayo sa pinag-workan ni Daddy Marky para kunin yung nakalimutan nila. Tapos pupunta tayo sa event. So we are on the way. Time check 4:24. The event is 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Right, Daddy?
Correct.
So what's that event?
It's an event.
Pinuhuli natin siya. What's that? Tell me.
Well,
The guys are asking.
oh, we got E, V, E, N, T.
Event. Oh, you're so good in spelling. Oh my gosh.
Maraming salamat.
Okay. Update namin kayo mamaya. Papasok tayo
How
sa
cool is the
workplace ni
driveway?
Daddy Marky. I know, right? Tignan nyo naman, forest life. Gorgeous. So where's the job?
So we built that fence over there,
Yeah.
way up there.
We are here in Daddy Marky's finished job. Yan, yung bakod na yan, ginawa ni Daddy Marky with his workmates. Ganda dito guys. Grabe guys, bigla na lang kaming pumasok kahit walang ano. May mango tree, ganyan. Yung si Daddy, may kinukuha. Tapos may pool sila dyan, oh. So guys, that's Daddy Marky's job. So guys, we are here in the event. That's the
Let's go.
name, Brewing Terrella.
Let's go get tickets for the what?
Unang tanong ko kay Daddy Marky, is there any plants? May nakita ako naglalakad
Mahaba,
ng
there's plants.
There is plants! Get ready, my love. You get ready, my love. It's so busy.
So can we go see the animal farm?
Yeah. Park lang kami. May tanim. May tanim, guys.
We will park here.
Hindi kompleto ang araw pag ano no, hindi bumili ng tanim. Oh my gosh. Ganda ng araw. 4:48, 28 degrees. Oh my gosh, ang init. Dito na kami guys. Kain lang kami sa So that's the name of the place. Ayan, kumuha si Daddy Marky ng ticket para sa pagpasok sa mga pet, mga animals. For $6.
Orders.
Daddy Marky ordered food. Number 80 ng birthday ni Ate Amanda. What did you order, baby?
Tacos,
Aha.
one nacho, and one street corn.
Wow, there's a lot of food. Coming. We're just gonna enjoy our food. Daddy got corn. What's that? Nachos. What's that? Quesadilla.
No tacos.
Tacos.
Fish taco, chicken taco, and beef brisket taco.
Mix. Ayan, tapos na kaming kumain. Thank you. Oh my God! That's a ghost.
Let's go inside.
Hello!
We can go inside and pet them.
Ang gas. Look at that. Go, guys. Sorry. It's so big. Look at this. How are you, my friend? Takot si Amanda. Hi! Kakaiba yung sila.
Almost like this.
The carrot.
Hello! Bakit? Come here! Hello! Aww. The ship is called... Ha? Ha?
What? Okay.
Yung ship tinatawag si Daddy Marky. Marky! Marky! What's that? Ay! Inipig naman dito. Ayun sila o kanto ng mga bait. Hello! Hello! Namiss ko na magpakain ng manok sa Pilipinas. Ayun yung sa shops, mga shops sa kabila. Pat natin yung ano, pony. Yung miniature horse. Hello, what's your name? What's your name? How are ya? Oh. Oh. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. What's your name? You'll be back soon, okay? We're gonna visit your room. You love that? Aww. Kung gusto niya.
Nagbe-wiggle pa siya ng tail.
Are you thirsty? Oh, you have water in there. Is it itchy? Itchy? What? Come on. Come on. Ang cute ng papayag niya, oh. So, tigas. Alam mo yung pinapanood natin si ano? Si Sweet Tooth. Pag may naririnig siya, yung tenga niya.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Parang pang brush naman to.
Guys, rabbits. Hindi ka kasi pwedeng mag-pet ng rabbit dito kasi para silang pets. Can we pet rabbit, mahal? Why do they have rabbit? What?
There's a heart.
Hello! Uy, na-miss ko na yung mga rabbit natin sa Pilipinas. I know! We're
Don't shout in front of humans. Why? Because they're gonna get scared.
We're coming too! You're gonna go inside?
Look at their tummy. So big.
Come on, out of the way. Over here. On mine.
Ingay! Mark!
Again. One more.
Mende! Is it?
That's so funny.
Is it Menda?
Tell me how you really feel.
Sorry.
Mark! Come on. Mark! It's just quiet. I know! Am I pretty? Am I pretty? Am I pretty? Hey! No!
Yeah.
Am I pretty? Okay, thank you. It's the brewery. Saya ni Mami Ems, my plants. Wow, pili tayo ng damit, tagpa $5. That's our plants. $5 each. Syngonium, Palladium, and Alocasia. Thank you! Thank you so much. Thank you. Ayan, pauwi na tayo. May nakuha tayong 5 tanim si Daddy Marky nagbayad, guys. Ang ganda dito. Ito nyo yung malaking white doon. Sabi ni Daddy Marky, doon sila nag-grow ng marijuana.
It's massive. It's huge.
Have you been there?
No, like,
Pero just for medical thing.
yeah.
For medical.
So look how there's cameras everywhere.
Yeah.
It's policed. That's all electric. Wow.
So this marijuana plantation thing is secured.
And
Only used
This
for
camera-
medical thing.
Yeah,
And that's the brewery in the other side.
cameras
Thanks for
everywhere.
that information, Daddy Marky.
That's okay.
We don't know that that's a marijuana plantation before. We always pass this by.
Hmm.
Okay, thank you for today. We enjoyed it. I have plans.
We enjoyed it.
So if you don't
Bye.
have
Thank you so
plans-
much for
She wouldn't have
watching.
enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will as soon as I finish eating. And we went to the pets, to the animals. And that's my plans. Thank you so much for
Thanks for
watching.
saying hi.
I don't know what they're building here. It's going to be huge though.
Jollibee.
Bye everyone. Happy Friday.
Have to climb it.
Do you want to do that tomorrow? No. That's Nindri, guys. So nice in the countryside. Pakinggan nyo guys, Lorikeet Party. There's more. Here. Ang ingay.